Hey guys, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to find Fibonacci retracement levels dynamically using R. And for this example, I'm going to be using my own personal intraday data. So I have 15-minute candles for Amazon. Now, in order to calculate the retracement levels, we need a high and a low, but I wanted to find a way to do that dynamically. So we have a function here called find local high low, where we just pass in the stock data containing our open, high, low, close, and a look back period. Now, by using the look back period, it's going to look back that many bars to find the pivot points, so it'll locate the high and the low. Now, we do want to set up that way because we can later pass in our stock data containing a date range or date ranges and extract the local high and the local lows for those periods. And this function is going to return a list containing the local high, the local low, and their timestamps. And this does work for daily data as well. The second function we have is to get the actual fib retracement levels. Now, in this function, we're just going to pass in the high and the low, extracted from the previous function. Alternatively, you can use your own function or pass in the high and the low levels, and this will get you all the fib levels using the high and the low range. Now, to test the functions, I passed in my intraday data, and I'm going to be using 90 bars for my look back period. So if we take a look at local points, it extracted the high on 8/28 at 12:15 and the local low at 2/21/83 on 9/2 at 11:45. So we're going to pass in the high and the low into the next function and extract our fib levels. And here we can see the results. So we have the local high and the local low and all the retracement levels here. Now we can go ahead and plot all the data to see how well it fits. So I'm just going to pass in all the intraday data and plot all the fib levels. So if we maximize this plot here we could kind of tell from the chart where it found the high and the low. So let's go ahead and zoom in into that period. So in the next block, I'm just going to zoom in by passing in our local high time. And if we maximize that plot, here we can get a better detailed view of when the high occurred and also where the low occurred. Now, for the most part, we see that these levels hold after the low was in place. So using these functions, I'm going to try and see if we can create some sort of backtest to see if it's a good idea to trade this or not. So stay tuned for that. And with that, this concludes the video. I hope this was useful information. I'll leave a link down in the description area to my Patreon where you can find the script. Please consider subscribing to the channel if you haven't done so already. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.